Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Body, and today I am here with another video of our C programming series where we are going to learn about recursion in C. In the last video we have learned about DMA and today recursion. Now what is recursion? Well, recursion is a process in which a function calls itself, and it is used to solve problems that can be divided into smaller subproblems. And each recursive call works on a smaller instance of the same problem. And how recursion works? Well, is function call stored in the call stack, and when base condition is reached, the stack unwinds. Each call returns its result to the previous one, and base condition stops the recursion to prevent infinite call. Now suppose we are asked to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion. We are taking our header files and then integer factorial, well, a factorial is a mathematical operation that multiplies a number by all positive whole number smaller than it. So yeah, here we will take a factorial, and then in the first bracket we will take integer n. Now this takes an integer n and returns its factorial, and then if n is equals to 0, do you guys remember we have learned about operators? Here is that if n equals to 0, either n is equals to 1, and that will return 1. Now remember, the factorial of 0 and the factorial of 1, that's a base case. Okay, so I have writing in comments so that you guys can understand it and remember this. Real is equals to 1, and 1 factorial is equals to 1. I mean, there's the base case I have told you guys about. Now else it will return, sorry, I'll put a space here, yeah, and it will return n factorial n minus 1. And then in the main function we will write what we want to enter and what we want to print. Now let's say take our main functions here. I'll press enter and then integer main, first bracket, and here is our number. I want you guys to do this code with me. While I am writing code, I want you guys to write codes with me. It will be a great practice for all of us. Now yeah, and we will use a semicolon here and then enter. We have learned about ampersand number, I mean the ampersand thing in previous video. so I'll not elaborate that here. Yeah, now we will print what we want as output. Percentage D equals to percentage, yeah, percentage D, and a new line to give a formal look to our code. We'll add new line here and then number, factorial function, and number. Now we will semicolon, enter. We will return 0 here. Yeah, that's our answer, and run it. Okay, we'll enter a number of which we want to get the factorial. Here the output we are getting is a for loop that runs 5 times, and the loop continues while it's less than or equal to 5, and that's how we are getting the factorial. Now I hope you guys know how to calculate factorial of any number. Now let's see the advantage of recursion. Now the advantages are it simplifies complex problems and makes code cleaner and more readable, and disadvantages are its higher memory uses and make us stack overflow if base case is missing. So yeah, that's all for recursion. Today we have learned about recursion and we did a code on recursion, and we have also learned how to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion. That's all. If you guys find my videos useful, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video where we will learn about stress in C. Till then, Allah Hafiz.